considering launching an LLC in Delaware? You're in for a host of great advantages by establishing your business in the state. In this guide, we'll delve into these benefits, providing insights for out-of-state entrepreneurs and outlining the essential steps and documentation needed to establish a Delaware LLC. Additionally, we'll share a valuable tip on preserving these benefits, often overlooked by many, along with exclusive discounts on professional services. So, let's dive right in. First, let's understand the benefits of starting a Delaware LLC. You're probably here because you're a Delaware resident, but you should know that establishing a limited liability company in Delaware offers several unique benefits that have made it a popular destination for both U.S. and foreign entrepreneurs. The big ones are enhanced privacy, a special business court, and enhanced asset protection. Number 1, privacy and anonymity. Delaware provides a high degree of privacy for LLC owners. Formation documents do not require owner-member names, only the LLC name, registered agent details, and organizer's signature. While federal law mandates a beneficial ownership information (BOI) report, this data is not publicly accessible. Second benefit is Court of Chancery. Delaware's Court of Chancery specializes in business law, offering expert legal resolution for disputes involving LLCs. This ensures efficiency and legal certainty for businesses operating in the state. Third and most important is asset protection. Delaware offers charging order protection for single-member LLCs, safeguarding both personal and business assets. This ensures an LLC remains intact during personal lawsuits against members. However, this protection applies only within Delaware's jurisdiction, and members outside the state may face differing legal conditions. Please note that, while Delaware welcomes out-of-state businesses, forming an LLC in your home state may help avoid additional expenses and legal complexities. How to start an LLC in Delaware. In 6 easy steps, let's walk you through the process of forming a Delaware LLC. While you can handle the process yourself, hiring a professional registered agent service is recommended for expertise and compliance. 2/3 of entrepreneurs choose this route. Let us guide you the steps to form a Delaware LLC. Step 1. Name your LLC. Choose a name that complies with Delaware's naming rules, including using LLC in the name and ensuring uniqueness through a Delaware entity search. You can reserve a name for 120 days for $75. Also, check the availability of the name as a web domain. Step 2. Choose a registered agent. A registered agent receives legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. They must be a Delaware resident or entity. You can serve as your own agent, but professional services are often more reliable. Step 3. File a certificate of formation. Submit this document to the Delaware Department of State either online or by mail, along with the $90 filing fee. Ensure all details are correct and include a cover sheet for correspondence. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Though not required by Delaware law, an operating agreement is crucial for outlining ownership and operational procedures. It helps prevent conflicts among members. Step 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for a free employer identification number (EIN) from the IRS to identify your business for tax purposes and to open a business bank account. Applications can be submitted online or by mail. Step 6. File a Beneficial Ownership Information (BOI) report. Starting January 2024, all LLCs must file a BOI report with FinCEN to disclose ownership details. New LLCs must file within 90 days of formation, while existing LLCs have until January 2025. Failure to file incurs fines of $500 per day. So those are the 6 steps you'll need to complete to successfully create an LLC. It seems overwhelming, especially when you're just starting up and wanting to learn. Thankfully, with the help of Bazee, everything I've just explained can be done within a couple of minutes with minimal effort. Don't believe me? Well, I'm now going to show you how to use Bazee. Once you click the first link in the description, you'll be taken to the same page as me. Bazee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for their service, which no other company offers. First, to start the process, select LLC as your entity type and choose the state. I'll select Delaware and click Get Started. Then, click on Start My Business button. From here, the formation process begins. You'll see 3 different packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The first thing worth mentioning is that the state fee doesn't change. You can see it's $14 in all packages. The state fee is what Delaware charges for opening an LLC. Busy is not making any income from this fee, it goes directly to the state. Even if you use the state website, the fee remains the same. Delaware offers 3 packages: Basic, Standard, and Premium. The price for each differs, and I'll explain why. The Basic package is the most affordable option. Busy charges $0 for their service in this package, you only need to pay the $143 state filing fee. This package includes preparing and filing the Articles of Organization, a free registered agent for 1 year, an online access dashboard, a business banking account offer, and a business tax consultation. No other service provides a free registered agent for the first year without any charge like Busy does. Next is the Standard package, which costs $199. This is the package I highly recommend because it covers everything you need to start a business legally. It includes everything in the Basic package, plus additional services like obtaining an EIN, employer identification number, an operating agreement, lifetime company alerts, a business bank account, tax consultation, Form 2553 filing, and more. All these services, except for tax consultation, are required by the state to file an LLC successfully in the U.S. Filing these on your own can be challenging, so this package simplifies the process. The Premium package costs $299 and includes everything in the Standard package plus 4 additional services: free next-day filing, business contract templates, a domain name with a business email, and a free first-year business phone number. These extras are helpful if you're in a hurry to complete your LLC filing or want added convenience. Business contract templates, valued at $150, include agreements like non-compete clauses, NDAs, and employment contracts. Free next-day filing ensures your documents are processed as fast as possible, although the final timeline depends on the state. The domain name and business email enhance your business's legitimacy by providing a professional email address linked to your company. For the purpose of this video, I'll proceed with the Standard package, which is sufficient for most business owners. In the next section, Busy asks you to provide your LLC name and its designation. Enter your desired LLC name and select LLC as the designator. If you're satisfied with the name, move on to the next step. Here, you can choose whether to expedite your filing for an additional $50. This reduces the typical 3-week processing time to 2 business days. You'll then be asked to provide the personal information of the person responsible for the LLC. Use your verified information when completing this section. Next, you'll choose whether to use Busy's professional business address or your own. A virtual business address is a great option for privacy and security. Avoid using your home address, as LLC filings are public records and could compromise your privacy. Busy offers a virtual business address for $29 per month. Finally, provide a verified mailing address for the LLC. P.O. boxes are not allowed. Once you've completed this step, click the Next button. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you want 3 extra services by paying $149 extra. All these 3 services were included in the Premium package, which I showed you guys at the start of the video. Since we chose the Standard package, Busy is asking us again, as an upsell with a discount, to pick the 3 additional services that were included in that package. If you think you really need these services, then click on the Get Limited Time Offer button. I will just add these offers and proceed to the next page. In the next section, Busy will ask you to select the number of owners or members your LLC might have. I will just select one for the sake of creating this video, but if you think your LLC might have more than one owner or member, then you can select as many as you like. After that, Busy will ask you to select whether the member of your LLC is a person or a company. Since an LLC or corporation can own another LLC, that is why company is mentioned in this section as a member. However, since most viewers who are watching this video will select themselves as a member, I will just select the individual option. After that, select your name as a member and use BZ's virtual office address as your business address. Always remember to use the virtual office address as yours and any other key member of your LLC's address, as previously instructed. Once you are done with this, you can click on the Next button. BZ will ask whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. One way or another, you are going to need one. BZ is providing a registered agent service free for 1 year, and after that, it costs $119 per year. I highly recommend you choose the free 1-year option and then click on the Next button. In this section, BZ is asking whether you want to get an EIN or not. EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is a 9-digit number issued by the IRS, and this is a compulsory requirement for creating a corporation or LLC through your state. If you are from the USA, then select the No button, but if you are from outside the USA, then you have to file a separate SS4 application, and you also need an ITIN in order to get an EIN, which will take some time. BZ will help you with the SS4 application too, so you can get an EIN easily as a foreigner. If you are from the USA, then just select yourself as the person applying for EIN and provide your SSN. I will just provide a random SSN for the sake of creating this video. Below, BZ will ask you to provide the address of the person applying for the EIN. Just click on the second checkbox and use the assigned address that will be provided by BZ, then click Next. BZ will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank account with Bank of Relay. Remember that this is an optional feature that you can pick depending on your needs. If you don't want to set up your business bank account with Relay, then just click on the Ask Me Later button. For the sake of creating this video, I'll just select the Yes, proceed to the next step. Next, BZ will ask whether you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. Always select the Yes option because it will help clarify how to run and operate an LLC, file taxes, and address other concerns. After that, depending on the type or industry your LLC is in, BZ will automatically find out if you need any other business licenses and permits to operate your LLC. For example, if your LLC is in the real estate industry in the USA, BZ automatically suggests and figures out the licenses you require. The cost of these licenses is $99. After selecting the Yes option, provide the address of your business where BZ will do additional research on your behalf to fill out the license forms swiftly, so you don't have to worry about anything else. Remember that not all industries require licenses needing additional research. Some licenses can simply be filled out with a form by providing your business information. Below, BZ is asking you to provide your business purpose. I will just type a random purpose here. After providing all the required information, BZ will take you to a review page where you can see all the details you provided so far. Here, you can edit anything, include or exclude services, and make final adjustments. Once you're satisfied, click on the Next button. BZ will then show you the total due amount. After completing the payment, they will start processing your order. You will receive your LLC formation documents within 2 days to 3 weeks, depending on your package type. For just $619 in total, you can register your own LLC today in the state of Delaware using BZ. Personally, I think the price is fair since BZ will handle all the documents and register your LLC on your behalf. You won't need to go through any hassles. So assuming you are happy with your current plan, you can go ahead and click Proceed and then you'll be asked to choose either PayPal or card. It is entirely up to you guys. So within a couple of minutes, we went through a process with BZ and successfully created our own LLC. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, and I will try to answer them as well as possible. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.